Welcome to SpacyTracyNails. Today I am doing a, just to show you how I'm putting on some press-ons, and I was just going to show you how to do them. And this is the BTArtbox, BTArtbox, and they are a little bit bigger than the regular ones that you would get like Amazon and stuff, and I just thought that somebody had said something about somebody doing a video, and I know that there's like multiple ones out there, but I thought I would just go ahead and do one. So thank you guys for watching my channel, and I appreciate you guys. But this is just how I do it. Doesn't mean that it's good, bad, or whatever. The only thing that I really like, I have really big nails when it comes to my thumbs. And so these are bigger than these when you look at them. And I know that they go with their press-ons or whatever too, and they're supposed to be waterproof. I am going to use these this time. I have been using these. Now, what I did do was put on Beetles peel-off base coat. Just put any peel-off base coat if it's something that you're trying to not have to have on very long, but if you're wanting them on longer, I would use these, and then I use like a nail glue. But I just want them on for just a little bit. I have, especially doing nail content, you typically don't want your nails to be on that long. So these are cool, they're perforated there. Okay, this is the nails that I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to pull them off here. Take this off the thing. Now, I've only done this a few times. I'm very, very new at this. This is just how I do it. And I'm still learning. I may change the way I do it eventually, too, because I don't know if this is gonna keep working or not. I do know that for me, they do come off pretty quickly when I've done this, except for when I've done the glue. And then I do the glue and this, and then it works really well that way too. I just take some needle pliers. That's what we're gonna do. And these have already been prepped inside. And these are going to be my Saturday stamping collab ones. So this video can't go up until after the fact. But okay, so you want to measure your nails when you're doing this, and the cool thing is basically I just kind of like go through and find the one that works. And I start with my pinky because I was learning that if you do that, it's better than, because your thumb is always like I like the last one to do because of the fact that it's easier for anything to, like, you know, you could bump your thumb. I would always bump my thumb, and then there would be something wrong with it. You want to get it as close as you can to the cuticle, but not on it. Just as close as you can. And then I'm just taking my little boot thing on the end of this. And then you just pull off the little tabby. And then you take this and you basically go to your cuticle area and push down. Now, I've had some people that I've seen that where they put it, the nail underneath the cuticle. I tried that, and oh my goodness, my cuticles, they hurt. So you just want to hold it for just a little bit. and that's so that you can get that underneath there. Now these are a little bit more pricier than the ones that you can get from AliExpress, but they weren't, you know, big enough to cover up to my area of my nail. When you're looking at that, I can't find enough, you know, it only like covered half. So that's one of the reasons that that's a big deal for me. Okay, stupid gnat. Okay, now we'll do another one. Just sit here and get the one that fits the best from the cuticle on. A gnat on me. Stop it. Try to beat the gnat to death. And so then you just pull these off. Try to push them on there really well. And then, like I said, you just kind of go from the cuticle at a 45-degree angle and come down and push it down. I'm gonna kill that thing in a minute. Stop it! You're messing up my video. Dang it. Please go away. Gotcha. Okay. And we're just gonna do this one. Make sure you got it down there where that cuticle is. And then I just press around. So it releases itself so that I can just pull this off. Okay. And then just take it, 45-degree angle, and push down. And just hold for a few seconds. Okay. And then we have this one to do. Oh! Okay, Nats, I've had it. Stop it. You're interfering with my video. Stop. You're back. I think I'm gonna have to try them stupid frickin' things that are like electricity or whatever. Because that's gonna drive me insane. And push it down too, sometimes that'll work too. But I am very, very new at this, and when I was using the ones for the AliExpress, they didn't stay on very long, and I couldn't get them on and they would come off when I was trying to put them on because of the bent over it. So when I was trying to do the peel off this. So again, stop it! Push down, 45 degree angle, start from the cuticle and push down. Because you want to not have any like areas for it to get. You want it to kind of, you know, hit the both. You are gonna piss me off. And then last one. So it's basically, it looks like whatever the size you do for your press-ons. And I think the way they have it, if you do that, you can do it and, well, this one's not. This one's not the right size, but okay. So then I just push it in and come down. And then I just hold it for a little bit. Not very long, just a few seconds. But yeah, that one's not gonna do as well because it didn't. It's gonna get water under there. Of course, I'm not gonna wear them very long. Like I said, I typically don't wear mine very long because I, you know, content. YouTube creator content, and I'm constantly doing different nails. So, all right, there you go. There they are. So, okay. Also, you guys should go check out the Saturday Stamping Collab and see how I did these beautiful nails. But hopefully that helps. I don't know. I do know that some people that I've done it with, doing it with glue. You just basically take it, and when you put the stuff on, I put the glue on there at the very top of where the little sticky tab is coming off. So at the end of my nail, I put some glue there, or the tip of my nail. If you're gonna wear them for, you know, more than just a day or so. But like I said, I don't wear mine for very long. Okay, well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is SpacyTracyNails, signing off.